So this isn't a mail time. It's more of like, look what's in these boxes I have, and an update and some other stuff. So.
And I'm actually out here.
Why do we need a reason to open boxes and be like, wow?
Because Jamie's out here.
Yeah. So.
I've actually left the house.
Yes.
I don't leave the house right now. Right now, Jamie does not leave the house at all. Jamie lives in the house and does not leave.
I gotta tighten this.
Oh, is that Sharpie boy?
Mm-hmm. Pokey boy. So, the first thing I want to cover is we did do, because March, is it March? Cancer Awareness Month?
No, it was not Cancer Awareness Month.
What was it? Was it anything in particular,
no,
or
I
you just did it for fun?
I just did it for fun,
cool.
And I did it for pretty much 2 months, but I said the entire month of March.
So guys, a lot of you know, some of you are going to say you did, every time we do it, people say they had no clue. But for approximately 2 months, we sold a variety of stickers with Cancer logo in them, with the Sloppy Mechanics logo. And in the 2 month span, we sold almost 500.
It was 498 stickers.
Yeah, that's 500 stickers.
Yeah, and also we had some donations of money as well. So
people donated, yeah.
So we donated $27.50 to Cancer Research Institute.
Yeah.
So thank you to everyone that donated.
You guys.
Yes. So thank you to everyone that donated, that bought stickers, that shared the post. You guys are all rock stars. Thank you. It was awesome. It was just something randomly that we did. And it was for all cancers. So we did lavender, and then we threw in gold ones to honor a Sloppy member's daughter for children's cancer. So thank you to everyone.
Yep, if you watch enough of these videos, we did have this exact conversation in one of them. But
anyways,
on to the boxes. Thanks, everybody. On to the boxes.
Look at
Which
you.
box?
Look at you actually having to get me to go off topic. Like,
which box should I open?
The little green one.
The little green one?
Yeah.
Okay, so well, since I'm in the middle of the G stuff and I finally got the transmission in, I was having anxiety that I didn't have a fuel pressure regulator. And the people I know where I would get fuel pressure regulator lines, everything else, were a bit delayed because of everything. So I just ordered the tried and true. So that's what this should be. We will see quick. It is. So it's a PQI boy. Check this out. It comes with free aluminum shavings right in there.
Wow.
Oh, it stinks. But yeah, anyway, this is the one that I like to use. I've used it like 5 times in a row now. And it's a 8 and 6 return. And they work great. So there that is. Yes, I always recommend, see, these always leak. When people hook them up, they're like, oh, fuel sprayed out everywhere. It's not tight. And also, you should open it because sometimes they're filled with aluminum chips. Anyway, what do you expect for $30 shipped? What next?
The box on top. So the reason that I added this box in is because I made a post in Sloppy with, hold on, would you calm down with the opening of the box? The reason I'm adding this box in is I made a post in Sloppy that said, post your small business.
It smells good.
Yeah. I said, make a post. I said, make a post of your business, represent your business for small business, because everything that's going on with the coronavirus. I actually made a purchase from one of the small businesses and got their products. So I thought it was kind of cool because it was like peace, love, happy. It was like vegan candles, coffee, skincare soap. So
stuff that smells good.
Yeah, it's stuff that smells good. So I decided to just pop on their website.
You had interests.
Yeah, they had coffee.
Involving good smelling products and coffee.
It said something about coffee, so I clicked. But yeah, so I decided to add their box into here. So go ahead and open. Thank you for the order. Peace, love, happy.
And it has Sloppy's stuff written there.
Hold it.
They drew little Sloppy logos.
Yeah, I'm not showing my nails. They not good right now.
Oh.
So show their logos.
Chill out and smile. They have stamps here.
They got a bunch of stuff.
So you bought like sprays and soaps, and that feels like homemade soap.
Yeah, it's homemade soap.
It certainly smells good.
Open that.
Oh,
Don't throw stuff.
I didn't throw anything. You
Chill.
chill.
Why don't you chill? You chill. But watch your
Stickers, pins,
yeah, there's chapstick.
pieces of flair.
Yes, pieces of flair. There was some lip balm in there, but I already confiscated that.
Awesome.
But if you want to go ahead and check them out, can you hold up their business card real quick? I would like to promote them because they're a small business. Yeah, thank you.
Can you focus on it?
Yep, it's already there.
Perfect. Pause it,
It's
kids.
there. There you go.
So yeah, we always like to help out people on Sloppy.
Super fast shipping, super nice people. Just
That's how
cool
like Monkey
products.
Fab and Snake Eater and all of those people existed.
Why don't you turn around? Ooh, there's our boy right there, Monkey Fab. He's gonna be like, oh my god, your hoodie's ripped. No, Mike, he does this on purpose.
Oh yeah, well this one in particular was.
Oh stop! You do it to all of them. Stop.
No, I don't. You want me to pull?
No, you just got that
You
new book
stop.
over. No. Okay. All right. So moving on. So we decided really.
Really what?
We added some
You
stuff.
are seriously messing up the flow of this video
I'm
with
sorry.
your interruptions
I
and
haven't
too
had.
many ums.
I haven't had any human interaction besides a toddler and you.
Anywho,
We've gotten some new merch for the website, for the store. These are embroidered.
we didn't want to show one thing at a time because we don't want poor people to buy like this and then have to buy something else and then have to buy
Can you get down?
something
I can't
else.
see.
Why don't you just not aim the camera at my bits and then we can. So yeah, there's white and green.
And they're embroidered.
They're very nice.
And they have the click.
They have a
detachable ring
yes,
with this. So yeah, lanyards.
very nice.
Yes, they're embroidered and they come in lime green and white stitching. I got both
So that's
to try
what
them
we
out.
got. And then
They're gonna be on the store.
this is our
So this is what Matt's most excited about. So look at his face. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
they're awesome.
So Matt designed a T-shirt and it's
I
very.
actually did.
He was like sending me a text message one day while I was picking up the hats, and he's like, "Hey, I kind of want to make a shirt," and I was like, with the merch guy, and he was like, "Shirt," and I was like, "Well, yeah," and you know what? They delivered.
So yeah, I wanted this as a design and then we have it. So this will be, by the time this video is up, that stuff will be on the store already. So, or maybe it already is.
No.
Not yet, but
No.
that won't go live until we're sure all these are on the store.
Yeah.
Is that cool or what? I think it's cool. Hopefully people actually buy it and we don't sell one or two of them. But in lieu of all of the camshaft competitions and the stuff with Richard Holdener, and we have found that a lot of cams work. Every cam's a turbo cam. All of those memes and things we say and do now, the All Cams Matter shirt, I think would be very funny. So
Matt's very happy about
we're
his
going
All
to send
Cams
one to
Matter shirt.
Holdener. Yeah, check it out again, ladies and gentlemen,
Matt's very excited
boys
for
and
his
girls.
shirt.
I can't wait to post this then tonight.
That's like you rocking your meme.
Yeah,
it's
this
like,
is nice.
Look at his face.
This is nice.
Matt, would you like this? No.
All Cams Matter. Oh yeah, that too. What a day. So anyway,
Oh, do you
that's
need
quick.
this? Do you
We
need
just
this?
wanted to show that stuff. So we're like, well, let's pile
How
up
do Laura and Matt Happel?
some boxes.
Do you want me to throw it? What if it breaks? That'll make that'll ruin you.
Yeah, don't do that.
Okay.
So yeah, there's some things, and
Do you have anything else you want to go over?
the G is moving along. Once the G is running and moving and everything's done, I will bring the truck in, and then what's cool is I'm working with a bunch of people for Mustang stuff, so hopefully all that works out, helps out everything else. Because the ultimate plan was more than likely to finish the G. It'll be incredible at this point, and then cut it loose finally, because I've had it 2 years, so I would have the money to finish the Mustang. But at this point, so many people are offering to help me with the Mustang, might be able to keep the G, which would be cool. At the end of this, it has so many nice upgrades.
I can't wait to drive the G again.
Almost don't want to get rid of it.
I miss
So
the G.
we'll see how that works out. It'd be cool to keep all of those vehicles. I like everything I have now as air conditioning. The Mustang's already gonna have AC. We have the whole Dirty Dingo setup. So, other than that, yeah, the car stuff is happening. It's just a little slow right now because of the weather and everything else. And
But it hasn't slowed you down.
no.
No, not really.
Nope. And then we have the pile of stuff. See, the G is like, it's a lot of tedious things. The truck is gonna be like torque converter, trans, fuel pumps, 1,000 horsepower, hopefully. Just put it on the thing. I'm not gonna eat candy in front of people on video. That's just really weird. So, yeah, anyway. Let me know what you guys think of the shirt. Hopefully you guys buy it. And we didn't just
It doesn't matter if we...
toilet flush a bunch of money on shirts.
Doesn't really matter.
I'll just wear those for the next 25 years if you guys don't buy it.
I don't think you care. We don't care.
No. Yeah.
But we are shipping, even if, yeah, he's fine. With everything going on, we're still shipping, because shipping and receiving is here, so...
We're an essential facility here.
Matt's an essential employee.
Yeah.
He's still working.
Yep.
We're still shipping and receiving, and don't worry.
I have a sign in my front lawn. It's about 2 by 2 to let the UPS guy know that I'm essential. It says I'm an essential employee of Slot
You want to
Machines.
show him your cleaning
What's that?
your spray bottle?
What spray bottle? What, this? Yeah, sanitizer? Anyway. That's all. You're gone and you're done, and I don't want to have candy shoved at me anymore on video, so.
All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe. Hope your families are safe, and have a good night.
Yep, bye.